Akshay, also wanted to get your view on the pharma pack. Now, I think Nifty Pharma has made an all-time high today. The index, at least since August, has been struggling near that 15,700 sort of levels. On an intra-day basis, we would claim those levels, but we could not close above those levels. Finally, we have opened significantly above that and made a new all-time high. And even if you look at the rally in some of these pharma stocks in November, I think the pharma index on the whole is up around 7% in November alone. What's your take on the pharma pack? Can we expect the rally to continue? And if you could give us one or two stocks that perhaps one can look at in the pharma pack.
See, in the pharma space, one thing is the November has been excellent in terms of the rally which this index has posted from roughly around 14,500 to 15,730, where this index trades. It's been a very strong rally, but a slight concern for me, a caution note for me if you are trading, because we are almost near the all-time highs. In fact, we have just managed to get past the all-time high levels on the pharma index. We saw these levels way back in the month of August. So these levels are revisited, and there is a good chance that there might be some profit booking. So you need to take your profits off the table, especially if you are a trader. So booking profits is recommended if you have a short-term vision in the market or a trading perspective. If you are positioned for a medium to long term, then yes, definitely this index has more upside to go in the days to come. Now, the couple of stocks here which I like based on the technical setup here. One is Glenmark Pharma here and Aurobindo Pharma. If I were to look at the chart structure, Glenmark is in a range. It's time and again showing strong indications of bump up from the bottom or the range bottom, which I mentioned is seeing long additions here. So I would recommend go for buying in Glenmark Pharma. The target price I'm working with is around 815 to 827 with a stop of 737. And Aurobindo Pharma, which again has been an outperformer in the November series in the pharma pack. Slight consolidation in last couple of days, but I believe the momentum will regain. Look to buy Aurobindo for a target of 1010. That's the higher target I look for, and with a stop of 957. So these are the two pharma bets I would recommend in the pharma space.
Now, Akshay, before we let you go, any 2-3 stocks, or trading ideas that you could give for our viewers for the very short term?
For the very short term, one is healthcare space. Again, with pharma, this is going hand in hand in the last few trading sessions. So Metropolis Healthcare is one stock already up by about 1% today in a day trading session. And I believe the chart setup is extremely healthy for if you are a trader or even positioned for medium term. Look to buy Metropolis. The targets are around 1647 to 1662. The stop loss will be 1570 on this trade. That's the first trade you can look at. If you are looking from the IT space, then Dixon Technology is one stock which I would like to bring to your notice. Again, from the pharma space, it is picking up momentum right now, as I see around 1% up almost. Yesterday was a very strong day for Dixon Technologies. The target area I'm working for in Dixon Technologies is around roughly around 5790 to 5840, stop loss 5230. And if you're looking for short candidates, again, keep small targets if you are shorting because it's a buyer's market. But a banking name which comes to my mind, Axis Bank, already a gap down. So, the comfort is not there. Let it rebound a bit. Let it get back somewhere around 1020 levels. Then you can look to short Axis Bank. A slight weak chart structure here. News flow is negative. So probably around 990 odd levels is where you can target in Axis Bank on the short side.
All right, that's the view coming in from Akshay Bhagwat of JM Financial.